It's another beautiful day here on Fantasy Island, or right here in Fiji. Bula! Baron and Bren Bruno. Guess where? That's right, Professionals Fiji Real Estate. Everyone's favorite real estate agency right here in the 333 island nation of Fiji. And here we are right on the water. And we are in the industrial area of Fantasy Island. And this is a master plan gated community. You have commercial lots, industrial lots, and lots of residential lots, all on Crown land, which is government land, which 99-year land lease, very low semi-annual land lease payments. And you can see here some of the development that's going on here in the area. And this is all sort of going into the industrial area. And this is one of the largest industrial lots that are available, 2,320 square meters, half-acre property right here. And if you're looking to set up a business or expand your business that's already in Fiji or perhaps in the South Pacific, this is a really stellar chance to do that. Really close to the Nadi International Airport. You can see the sleeping giant mountain views over in Sembeto area just that way. And you're going to go kind of as we go from Fantasy into Wailoaloa Beach and then into the greater Nadi commercial and business and shopping districts that way. And then as you go sort of on this side, you're going to go right over into Denarau Island, which is where we have our offices located, and a lot of five-star resorts and restaurants and shopping and retail as well. Convenient thing about Fantasy is because it is gated and because it is about 29 years in the making, it is starting to really develop here, and a lot of people see the value in these residential, commercial, and industrial blocks of land as more and more business is happening. We just ran into one of our friends who does a lot of barge services to the outer islands, bringing goods and services from the main island here, Viti Levu, out into the Mamanutha and Isawa Islands, and very big business. And you can see you have direct boat access right here. There's a small little boat here. Little fun fact, Fantasy is known for great fishing and all their little waterways here that connect to Nadi Bay. So you literally just go straight out and you're right into Nadi Bay. So this is, again, a really great opportunity for somebody to expand or set up their business in Fantasy Island on Fiji's main island of Viti Levu. This is on Crown land, government land lease, 99 years, zoned for industrial use. And if you are curious to know if your business would qualify, just give us a call, 679-999-2051, or directly or on WhatsApp or Viber at 1-480-444-6688, and we can give you the specs of this property and help you find exactly what you need. So depending on your timing and your budget and all your requirements, we can get you exactly what you need here in Fiji. So really pleasant right now. Getting close to dinner time. We hope you guys are safe and happy. And we're going to head out of there. There's Asbar on our team. If you're coming to Fiji, hop into our office right there at Port Denarau Marina next to Lulu Bar and say hello to Asbar when you're here as well. All right, I'm going to leave you with this. You can press freeze. That's all the details that you'll need. There's that website, professionalsfiji.com, the numbers to call. And if you're in New Zealand, Australia, or US, we make it simple. You can call one of those numbers and everything will reach us straight away. All right. Looking forward to seeing you here in Fiji, whether you're coming for business or pleasure or a little bit of both. Lots to see and do here. And with that, we say Viti Levu, Mode, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.